guys, it's Jen. I literally cannot believe it's already been a year since my little baby boy Ezra was born. I feel like it just happened. I will say, with 2 kids, things go by way faster. So if that's been your experience, give me a thumbs up on this video and let me know down in the comments. Is the first year frantic for you? It was frantic for me. But you know what? We made it here and we really wanted to celebrate it with doing a really amazing birthday party. If you guys don't know, it's a Korean tradition to actually do a really huge first birthday party. This isn't just like Pinterest generation. This is like, we've been doing this for a while, and we just want to celebrate babies making it to their first year, because back after war-torn Korea, you know, that didn't always happen. So it is a really special moment for us, a really special time where we can bring our friends and family together and just really celebrate our kid turning 1. So we went with this traditional Korean theme, and one of the really cute little whimsical parts of it is we turned the entire place into Ezra's Korean bakery. A lot of the backdrop details took inspiration from Korean architecture. There were so many adorable snacks. I love just the different shapes and textures. We had some tteok, sweets, and baked goods that were all on display. Plus, of course, the little persimmon, because we have a little persimmon tree in our backyard that I planted when I was pregnant with Aria. So for Ezra's 100 days, we wanted to incorporate that into our display. So once again, for his first birthday, Davina decided to add that. Oh, I forgot to mention, once again, the party planner who just put all of this together, this was her vision, is Davina. If you guys want to follow her on Instagram, her account is Made by DAVINA KIM, and if you guys live in the LA area, you should definitely hire her. Not only is she able to pull off incredible work, but she's so creative and does the most beautiful, beautiful events. So thank you so much, Davina. She's just such a dear friend, and I was blown away. So we had a lot of cute little activities that I wanted everybody to be able to join in on. First of all, Chasing Linen did a watercolor station. She also did this for Aria's birthday, so I am just so thrilled that she got to be a part of Ezra's birthday as well. She was doing live watercolor portraits of all of the guests who came, and then we also had a bubble tea station, because I feel like that harkens back to my Korean roots as well. Okay, I love me some milk tea, and I wanted to share that with all of my guests, especially from both sides of our family. Thank you, Tommy. It was so delicious. They also have a brick and mortar in Little Tokyo, so if you guys want to check out their tea, you should definitely visit there. Also, when guests walk in the door, there was this amazing little display with lots of photos of Ezra and our family. The photos of Ezra were mostly taken by L'Atelier Studio. They're a really cute baby studio that's located here in LA as well. And there were also these little jars so the guests could vote on what Ezra would be grabbing in his doljabi. We got a chance to change into our traditional hanboks, and Ezra got to crawl toward whatever he would eventually turn into in the future. I think he's going for... Oh, apple. Oh. Which one are you gonna pick? I kind of feel like money, yay! Yay, gotcha! I feel like every baby acts a little bit different in these situations, because there's a lot of people around them taking photos, taking video, trying to see what they're gonna crawl toward. Some babies eat up the attention, some are a lot more shy. In Aria's case, if you guys saw her toward video, she had a little bit of a meltdown, but it was like the cutest thing ever. Ezra is usually just such a chill as a cucumber dude that I think he wasn't exactly quite sure what he should go toward. Kind of moved forward, kind of grabbed the stethoscope. I feel like the first object he actually touched was the stethoscope, but then he kind of went back again and then ended up going for the coin, which was definitely aided by his big sister because once again, just like her actual tour, she grabbed the stethoscope for herself and handed Ezra that coin. So you know what? If we're gonna have a doctor and wealth in our family, I'm okay with that. Next came the smash cake time, which was so much fun. Ezra was all about that. I also feel like not all babies understand what to do with the smash cake, but he was really enjoying it. He did get a little bit of a frosting mustache though. So another thing that I really wanted to make sure I included in this party is to have a little station, a little table for Aria to celebrate her 3rd birthday, because the kids actually have birthdays super close together. I don't know if you guys had watched my pregnancy vlogs. If you haven't, I'll link it down below, but Ezra was due on Aria's actual birthday. Thank goodness he was actually born 6 days later, but it does give us a chance while all of our friends and family came into town to be able to celebrate her and sing her happy birthday as well, which I think was just so special. She is in love with the color pink, so we did a little bit of a cute little carousel circusy theme. So there were a lot of little balloons, all pink. Her outfit was pink. The table was pink. She had a pink cake with a little horse on top because she's obsessed with horses right now. So we all got to sing happy birthday for her, and then we got to go over and sing happy birthday for Ezra as well.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ezra. Happy birthday to you.
I also really enjoyed being able to have Korean food for everyone to eat. I love Korean food, my whole family loves Korean food, Ben's whole family loves Korean food, and they also got to try some new things that they hadn't had before. So it was just really fun being able to get everyone together and celebrate both of my kids. It was so special, and I had such an amazing time. And I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of the incredible vendors who contributed to make it such a beautiful event. It was so beyond any of my expectations, and everything just came together so beautifully. Let's see if I can shout some of them out in particular, and I'll definitely be listing them down below if you guys are interested in working with any of them. They're just so beyond amazing. Thank you so much to Cindy and Sweets by Keeks for doing some really amazing little treats, especially Aria's cake and the little cookies on her table. We had somebody do the most amazing little Dok traditional rice cakes, and the flowers, oh my goodness, the flower arrangements were so gorgeous. They were done by HANA by Hannah, which is a dear friend of mine as well. I had an all-white hanbok, which just was so stunning, and then Ezra had a green one. Those and a lot of the Korean traditional decorations were done by RAUM Studios. So they do very traditional Korean inspired events, photography, and also studio photos as well, which we did get to get done. And I can't wait to show you guys that. So if you want to see those photos and more photos from the event, you can follow me on Instagram at From Head to Toe. And I will also leave a list of all of the different vendors and their Instagrams, because this video is not enough to do all of them justice. They're so creative, and it's just such a dream to have all of this creativity in one place. Oh, it was so amazing, and I'm just so excited that I got to share it with you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed getting this little sneak peek into Ezra's first birthday party. Feel free to leave in the comments a little happy birthday to Ezra. I'm sure he'll really enjoy reading all of those when he grows up and is able to read them. Please leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and feel free to subscribe to see more of my videos. This is Jen, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!